Wow, I just dropped my camera in the ocean. One that I got most of the footage on today. So I don't know if I have a video or not, but I guess I'll start off the video with this. It's a good day out here. Caught some cool fish. Finally happened to me. I lost my camera. I think it's happened to everyone. Man, it sucks. And like everyone, you're just mad you don't have the footage. I had a great day out here, now the footage is gone. Let's see what I can put together. Well, the morning didn't start off like every other. As most of you probably know, the West Coast is just covered with smoke right now everywhere, and lots of it in the San Francisco Bay Area, especially on this day, and lots of fog. So I was trying to drive out to the ocean, and the visibility was so poor. I mean, 30 feet, Raccoon Straits, Angel Island area, I just had to turn around before I got in it too much. I ended up going to Paradise to start my morning, waiting maybe an hour or two for the fog to die off. And so I got one fish while I was waiting here for that to happen. Fish. Unfortunately, it was just a stingray, smaller size one, maybe about 10 pounds. It was kind of scary getting the hook out. He was snagged on the side, and as I was using the pliers, he was thrashing his spine barb thing all around. So around 9 o'clock, I decided to take the daring adventure out the Golden Gate Bridge. Visibility was about 50 yards, so you couldn't see too well. I just took it nice and easy, and I have all the paths from the last times I've gone out. The GPS stores it, so I was able to just stay along the shoreline using that. Like I said, I took it nice and easy, looking for about 35 feet of water on the north bar. It's about a mile out from the Golden Gate. So yeah, once we got there, really smoky and foggy still. That's why you'll see I'm wearing this mask most of the time to protect myself from all the smoke. So unlike in the bay where you can only use one rod, when you're on the ocean fishing for halibut, you can use as many rods as you want. I decided to use 3 today. I was drifting with live anchovies along the bottom. Look at this. Caught a sand dab. Man, this is brutal out here. Just like 2 scratched baits. Where are the halibut? I don't want to move, but maybe I need to, kind of reset my drift and try something else. Thought I was in a decent area. Yeah, I mean, is this fog or smoke? It's not good out here. Visibility's got to be no more than a football field. Feels like less still. And it's like 10:30. All right, I think I'm gonna move. Feels like something good. It's a nice one. Look at that thing. Heck yeah. All right, let's give this Hallie a measure. Looks like it's 31 or so.
That's why I did it here. This still has reflexes and kicks. 30-incher. Oh, there we go. Feels like a pretty good one. Feels heavy. The rods on this one's a little lighter than the last one though, but it feels bigger. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's big. Don't want to take him out of the water. Keep him in the water. See if we can get him right here. Got him. Barely. Uh-oh. Got him in. That's nice. Well, this is awesome. 2 fish now. I think this one's an inch bigger. I think this is the 31-incher. Let's see. No. Freaking twin. No. 1/2 inch shorter. 29.5. Great fish though. So we're 1 away from limits. Oh, look it, there we go. Don't come off. Oh, it's not on there, guys. You saw that bite, right? Oh, we're on. It's small. Look at that. Well, hello there, lady. I'll send you down with the anchovy. I just gotta get the hook back. There we go. You keep eating, look at that. That is so cool. It's too good of a meal not to eat, even when you're out of water.
Hey Chris, is that you over there?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got 2 halibut, 30 inches. I have a Dungeness crab in my hand right now eating an anchovy. It's pretty cool to watch. Oh, don't worry, I am.
Well, good luck to you guys, man.
All right, well, let's let her go. That was funny. All right, well, second one on ice. 1 more halibut and we can go for salmon. Okay, we're gonna go salmon fishing. Can't find that last halibut and that is totally fine. I mean, in my opinion, the limit should be 2 on those things anyway. Who needs 3? So I'm totally happy with a 30 and a 29-incher. That is awesome. Party boat heading out. I wonder what they're doing right now. It's like 1 o'clock. But I'm gonna reel up, start heading towards, like I said, Stinson Beach area along the Marin County coast here. Let's see if we can go find a salmon. I guess my expectations are probably not so great, but it's possible. Definitely be a big bonus. Let's see if we can go find a big one. We'll use old trusty here. Green crippled anchovy, glow in the dark, green flasher, underwater camera. See if we can find some salmon down there. Gonna have to keep looking ahead here since I'm the only one in the boat. All right, I'm thinking we're gonna go 33 feet. Looks like there's a lot of birds diving here. Looks like this was gonna be a jack heading up the river, a little male. Yeah, 23 inches. You can see the pointy nose, so it's a male. This is what you would call a jack. He's gonna go up the river. He's already changing a little bit. I think that's gonna be it, guys. It's just only the one salmon, but hey, I'll take it. It's still pretty good right now. Unless we can get another one right now. I still got the line down. 2 big halibut, a salmon, some crazy weather this morning. It was so foggy. I shouldn't forget about that stingray either, huh? And yeah, it was a little spooky, but it's cleared up now, so it'll be a nice safe drive in. First solo trip, definitely went well.
Yeah, everything went well until about 5 minutes after this. See the camera right behind my ear on the left side there? Well, I put it on top of the Bimini sports top right there, and a wave came and it rolled off right in. Stupid of me.
2 nice halibut and the salmon. Let's go check them out. So, very nice fish. Definitely more than I could have asked for. Great day out here. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.